Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I will be seeing if I couldn't get a under 1 minute average out of 12 solves. Let's get it. It's scrambled. I did the scramble. In case you didn't know, I do solve Rubik's Cubes pretty fast. My average is about 1 minute, but it's maybe 105. I got a tough solve. Okay guys, I didn't get off to the great start. I got 101.69. Oops. So guys, I started the timer, but I didn't even inspect yet. That was the last one was kind of hard to me. So, no. Okay, never mind, I might get a worse time. But we'll find out. 55 seconds, and I'm using the beginner method. I'm barely done with the cross. Yellow cross is what I mean. C-fop is just very hard for me. So as I get better, I'll start using that more. This was so slow, literally. But it's fine. I'll get back to you when I do 5 or 6 more, okay, guys? Okay, guys, it's been exactly 5 solves later, and my average is 58.05, and that needs to change. It needs to be 55 now. Got it. Hey guys, I'm actually starting to get really nervous now because I've done 10 solved and my average is 57.17, and if I don't bring it down to 55, you're probably not going to see this video on YouTube. 56.44 right now, 56.44, and we're getting there. I only have one more solved left. I'm trying to make it under 45 seconds. It's gonna give me an automatic 55-second average, so yeah. Let's go, guys. Look, alright. My original time, but I got a DNF, so +2. Look at that average. Okay guys, I literally fell out of my chair. I actually got 55-second average, so let me check it to be exact real quick. 55.48. It's not under 55 seconds, but I'm counting in that range too. So that's gonna end today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want more content like this, and peace out. And stay blessed. And safe. And I'm just kidding. See ya.